In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Wix website. If you want to create a copy of an existing site without starting from scratch, Wix makes the process very simple. Duplicating a website can be useful if you want to reuse a layout, test changes safely, or create a similar site based on one you've already built. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. To begin, go to the top left area of your Wix dashboard. From there, click the drop-down icon. This menu lets you switch between different websites connected to your account. Once that menu opens, select the option that says Go to All Sites. This will take you to the main area where all of your Wix websites are listed in one place. After you arrive on the All Sites page, find the website you want to duplicate. Take your time here and make sure you're choosing the correct one, especially if you manage multiple sites with similar names. When you hover your mouse over the website, a three-dot icon will appear. This is the More Options menu, and it gives you access to additional actions for that specific site. Click the three-dot icon and then choose Duplicate Site from the menu. Wix will then open the duplication prompt so you can confirm the action and set up the copy properly. At this stage, you'll be able to enter a new name for the duplicated website. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you're using the duplicate for testing, redesign work, or a separate version of the same project. Once you've entered the new name, click Duplicate. Wix will then begin creating a copy of the site for you. Depending on the size of the website, this may take a short moment to complete. After that, you should see the duplicated version available in your sites list. That's all it takes to duplicate a Wix website. Just open the drop-down in the top left, go to All Sites, hover over the site you want, open the three-dot menu, select Duplicate Site, give it a new name, and click Duplicate. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll have a copied Wix site ready to use in just a few clicks.